Hello guys and welcome back. So now if we play our game, as you can see we have the camera controller right here, and if we move, our player moves according to the camera and according to the input buttons. But if you notice that when we rotate, as you can see, the rotation of the player is not that smooth. Okay, the player just rotate really fast, as you can see. So we actually don't want that. We want some rotation speed, and according to that rotation speed our player will rotate around the environment. Okay, so if we stop the game and get back to the player script, right here after this movement speed, let's create a public float by the name of rotation speed, or we will just name this as rot speed. Okay, and by default this will be equals to 600. You can set this value according to your own need, but I will now for now just leave it as 600. Then after this main camera controller script reference, I will create a quaternion by the name of require rotation. Then right here, instead of this transform.rotation, we will cut this from here, and instead of this we will type, instead of the transform we will type what we name it right here, it is require rotation, so we will paste that right there. Then outside this if condition, since we want our rotation to be smooth, so now we will say transform.rotation, and this will be equals to quaternion dot rotate towards. And now in here we will first of all add a reference that from which rotation we want to rotate, so that will be the transform dot rotation. Okay, this is the from. Okay, then to which rotation we want to rotate, and that is the require, or let's just actually name this as required rotation. Okay, add a D at the end. And if you want to change all of the references, you just have to click the Ctrl plus F2 button on Visual Studio Code. Okay, not on Visual Studio, or you can just actually select this whole word and then right mouse button and then just click on this change all occurrence. Okay, so this is the to rotation, then this is the this is actually the from rotation, and then this is the to rotation, and after this the third parameter will be the speed, at which speed we want to rotate, so that will be this rotation speed. So we will type rotation speed or ROT speed, and we want this rotation to be time dependent, so for that we will type time dot delta time. That is it. Now if we save this script and get back to Unity, right here as you can see this is the rotation speed, and we can actually increase and decrease this speed. Okay, so now we have the rotation speed and everything set up. Now if we just simply play the game, as you can see right here this is our player. Now if we move, as you can see now the rotation of the player is now smoother, as you can see. Okay, and we have some rotation speed as well. Okay, and now if we just actually stop the game and try to make the rotation speed as 100, then let's play the game again and see the changes. Okay, so as you can see now the player rotates really slowly, as you can see. Okay, the player rotates really slow, so that's why you have to make this rotation speed value higher. Okay, for example 600 or 700, and then your rotation will be smooth. Okay, as you can see. Okay, and if you notice our rotation is still a little bit faster. So if we make this as 450, okay, and then let's test it out. Okay, as you can see, the 450 is a lot more smoother. As you can see, our player rotates smoother. As you can see, he take that turns. If you notice it, as you can see, he take turns now, as you can see. Okay, so in this way you can add your rotation to your own game, and then you can just mess around with this rotation speed and set this according to your own liking. Okay, for now I will just leave this as 450, and also in our script we will change this to 450, and that will be it. So now let's end this video right here, and I will see you guys in the next one.